How to fix if your iPhone volume going up and down automatically increase or decrease if your volume. Then first workaround is clean your volume button. Take a brush, soft brush, and clean your volume button and also other sensors and also other clean your iPhone smoothly. If your problem is still and not resolved, then go to the next fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Type on settings and here go to sounds and haptics and change with button. Make sure that this feature is disabled. After disabling, such type of option will appear and check whether your automatically volume up and down fixed or not. If not, changes one more settings, scroll down and go to headphone safety. Tap on it and reduce loud audio. Enable this feature and check whether your automatically up and down volume issues resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, tap on settings and here go to general settings, tap on it, scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Again, tap on reset and choose reset all settings, unlock your iPhone and finally choose reset all settings. Your issues with automatic up down volume